Good day, everybody. Hello, everybody, to another stream. Today is 18th January 2025. Today, we will be continuing yesterday's stream doing Vim Tutor. So, I was doing Vim Tutor and stopped at lesson 2. So, yes, we should start from lesson 3 and yeah, let's get on with it. Yep. So, oh, okay. I was reading neural networks, but this is an important thing. So let's try and learn Vim. Vim Tutor. Is that Vim Tutor? Right. Let's go. Vim Tutor. So we were in lesson 2.2. More deletion commands. Yeah. 2.3 we are done. On operation motions. Yeah. D is done. This is also done. 2.5 is done. 2.6 operating alliance. This is also this is also done. 2.7 undo the command is also done. The summary was so we stopped the summary, but let's look at the summary. So that is head JKL is to move the cursor, so I type L to move. So to delete from the cursor up to the next word, type DW. So that's the thing. So to delete from the cursor up to the next word, type DW. So word to delete a word, you use W. Monitor and D is the operator. Is that right? The terminology, is that right? Yeah, the D number and motion. Oh, sorry, the motion, right? D number and motion. Motion is W when you want to when you want to delete a word. So okay, to delete from the cursor up to the end of the file, type DE. From the cursor up to the end of the file, type end of the word, type DE. Okay. To read from the cursor to the end of the line, type D dollar. Okay. D dollar. That's cool. To delete a whole line, type DD. To delete a whole line, type DD. Okay. So in order to delete a whole line, type DD. That's cool. Alright. Type DD to delete a whole line. That's cool. Right. So end of to the end of the line, D dollar, and DE is to the end of the word. DW is next word. Okay. Oh, I just typed. Okay, that's cool. Now to the repeat a motion, prepend it with the number 2W. So what we are to repeat a motion, prepend it with a number. Yeah, okay. 2W is what does W do? It just skips a word, right? So two words skip to the first line, to the first character of the next second word that you skipped. Right, okay, that's cool. The format of a change command is operator number motion, right? So is what to do, such as D for delete, is an optimal count to repeat the motion, moves over the text to operate on. So motion is the moves over the text to operate on, such as W word, E is end of word, dollar is end of line, etc. To move to the start of the line, use a 0. To move to the start of the line, use a 0. That's interesting. Okay, yeah. To undo previous commands, type U lowercase. To undo all changes on a line, type capital U, and to undo the undoes, Control R. Nice. It's Control R. Okay, the put command. So let's move on to lesson 3.1. So we are in 3.1. Let me just scroll so that it is on top of the page. The put command. The type P to put previously deleted text after the cursor. Okay, move the cursor to the first line below marked this thing. Okay, I'll move here. Type DD to delete the line and store it in a Vim register. Oh, okay. So if I am here, if I do DD, So it is deleted. Move the cursor to the C line above where the deleted line should go. So I'll move it here. Type P to put the line below the cursor. Um, what? And okay. Move the cursor to line C line above where the deleted line should go. Okay, after the cursor. But where above where the deleted line should go. Okay. Alright, if I do that, oh damn. Repeat steps to the tall lines in correct order. Ah, that's pretty cool. So let's try to rearrange this. So if I want to delete and put it into the Vim register, I will do to delete the whole line. What do I need to do? I forgot, it's dd, right? Dd, and then I want to put it on top, so I'll put my cursor here and insert the line, which to insert is P. Nice. Will serve wireless blue. Intelligence learns. Can you learn too? Nice. Yeah, then that's cool. Now lesson 3.2. So P is the command to put to replace the deleted text after the cursor. Nice. The replace command. Type RX to replace the character of the cursor with X dot. Move the cursor to the first line below marked. Okay, we are in here. Move the cursor to the on top of the first error. Type RX to replace the character at the cursor with X dot. Okay, so type RX to replace the character at the cursor with X dot. Okay. On top of the first error, so the error is this A. So okay, move the cursor on top of that. Type R and then the character which should be there. Oh, okay. If I do R, we are in replace mode, and then it should be E actually. So I do E. Oh damn! Wow. Should be there. Repeat steps 2 and 3 until the first line is equal to the second line. Okay, let's do that. So when this line, okay, this line is wrong. Nice, line is wrong, so I'll do H here, and if I do R, it should be N here. So I'll do was typed. So this should be Y here. So I do R again. I do Y. That's cool. And then and then move to L. I type L to move to the right, and instead of O, it should be P here. So I do R and P. That's cool. In someone press some wrong keys. So this should be on W, it should be E. So R. That's cool. And on top of J, and I do R, it should be N. That's cool. Move on to the lesson 3.3. Now remember that you should be learning by doing, not memorization. Yeah, okay, we are doing it, but I do not know if I will try to memorize. But a little bit more of the practice will help me better, you know, get the hang of it. But to change until the end of the word, type CE dot. So type CE dot to change until the end of a word. Uh, 1 second. Hold on. The question that I have is that the replace command, he said that type RX to replace the command of the cursor with X. And on this line, there it says use R. So, oh, okay, I got it, RX to replace the character of the cursor with X. Oh, nice, cool, got it, got it. X is just a variable. Okay. The change operator. So lesson 3.3 to change. So lesson 3.3 is what? To change until the end of the word, type CE dot. To change until the end of the word, so type CE. Okay. Dot. Move the cursor to the first line below mod. Okay, well, let's move there. Type CE and the correct word, in this case type Place the cursor on the U in loop. Okay, let's do that. On the U. Okay, on the U. All right. I'll put that. Type CE and the correct word in. Okay, I will, because we need to change this lub to line, so I'll place it on U and I'll change it to the end of the word using CE. So, okay, I did that, and the correct word in this type line. We're in insert mode. The next one, let's see we change type as escape. Oh, wow, bro, Vim is so useful, bro. Repeat steps 3 and 4 until the first sentence is the same as. Wow, that's so useful. Now if I put it on P and I want to change it till the end of the word, I do CE and I do just words, yeah, and then escape, and that so I'll do, yeah, this needs to be changed, so I do CE again, and this should be need, and then do escape and changing. Okay, this should be changed. I do S from here. Now this should be on F, and then do CE, and then do ing. Escape again. Change our breath. Wow. This line is few words. Notice that C deletes the word and places it in insert mode. C does the same for the whole line. C does the same for the whole line. Oh, okay. That's E is the end of the word, so C is to the whole line. Nice. So if I do CC, oh, okay. Now if I do U, oh, I'm sorry, should be U. Cool. Okay, nice. CC does for the whole line. Nice. More changes using C. The change operator is used with the same motions as delete. The change operator is used as the same motion as delete. The change operator works in the same as delete. The format is C, number, and motion. The motions are the same, such as word, W, and dollars for end of line. Move the cursor to the first line below marked testing. Alright, let's do that. Okay, move the cursor to the first error. First error is needs to be corrected, so this, it should be here, and type C dollar and type the rest of the line like the second, and oh, okay, nice. If I do C dollar, oh, it was C4. No, then escape mode again. C dollar. Nice. Now we can insert this thing to be corrected using the C dollar command. Nice, that's pretty cool. Then escape. Nice. Summary: to put back the text has been deleted. Oh, that's the end of the lesson 3. To put back text has been deleted, type P. This puts the deleted text after the cursor that has been deleted. Okay, after the cursor, if line was deleted, it will go on to the next below the cursor. To replace the character under the cursor, type R, and then the character you won't have. The change allows you to change from the cursor to change operator allows you to change from the cursor to where the motion takes you. Nice. So example, type C to change from the cursor to the end of the file. Change from the cursor to the end of the file. C dollar to change to the end of the line. The format for change is C, number, and motion. You can use C to W to change the next two words, I think. So that's cool. Now move on to the next lesson. Pretty cool, eh? Cursor location and file status. Type Ctrl G to show your location in the file and the file status. Type G to move to a line in the file. Type Ctrl G to show location. Now, one second. I'll be back. Alright, okay. I'm back. Where were we? Cursor location file status. Type Control G to show your location in the file and the control status. Okay. Uh, Type G to move to a line in the file. Okay. Read this entire lesson before executing any steps. Hold down the control key and press G. Okay. Control key and press G. We call this Control G. A message will appear at the bottom of the page with the file name and the position of the file. Remember the line name for step 3. Okay. With the file name and the position in the file. You may see the cursor in the lower right corner of the screen. This happens when the ruler option is set. See help ruler. Press G to move to the you. Press G to move you to the bottom of the file. Type GG to move to the start of the file. Type the number. So what exactly is happening in step 1? We type Control G and the message will appear at the bottom of the page. At the bottom of the page with the file name and the position in the file. And message will appear at the bottom of the page with the file name and the position in the file. Remember the line number for step 3. You may see the cursor in the lower right corner of the screen. This happens when the ruler option is set. Press G to move to the next bottom of the file. Press GG to move to the start of the file. Type GG to move it to the start of the file. Type the number of the line you were on and then G. This will return you to the line you were on when you first pressed Ctrl G. If you feel confident to do this, execute steps 1 through 3. I'm not really confident. Uh, so it says that hold on the control key and press G. We call this control G. MS will appear at the bottom of the page with the file name and position. Okay. Remember. Okay. Press G to move you to the bottom of the file. Okay. Type the number of the file of the line you were on and then G. Okay. This will return you to the line you were on when you first pressed Control G. If you feel confident to this, execute steps through 1 through 3. Okay, let's do that then. Let's do Control G. We are here, Control G, and it says line 493. It's the first file name and the line 493 of 972 50% and call 64. So we are on column 64 and line 493 of this file. So what do we do? Type G to move to the bottom of the file. So I do G. Type GG to move to the start of the file. Okay. So if I do 493 capital G, I'm back. Wow. Capital G to move to the bottom of the file. Bottom. Wow. If I do GG again, top of the file, capital G bottom, GG top, capital G bottom, GG top, capital G bottom, GG top. If I do 493 capital G, if I am there, move bottom to the 493 thing. Nice. That's cool. Cursor look in the file setting. Nice, very nice. Search command is 4.2. Type slash followed by a phrase to search for the phrase. In the normal mode, type the character and notice that it and the cursor appear at the bottom of the screen as with the this thing. Now type an error. Okay, so let's do this thing and notice that it and the cursor appear at the bottom of the screen as with the okay. Now type this thing error. Okay, I type that. This is the word you want to search for, and we have it here. To search the same phrase again, simply type and to search for the same phrase in the backward direction, use to search for the same phrase in the opposite direction, type n. To search for a phrase in the backward direction, use to search for a phrase in the backward direction, use question mark instead of this. To go back to where you came from, press Control O. Keep Control down while pressing the letter O. Repeat to go back further. Control I goes forward. Okay, so we are error. If I do N, I'm right here. If I do capital N, back. To search for a phrase in the backward direction, use question mark instead of okay, you can just do that, right? Okay, N is this. And if I do okay, that's cool. To go back to where you came from, press control O. So if I do control if I do so if I do control O, okay, so I'll go back and control I to move forward. Nice. Control O, back. Control I, forward. Interesting words, interesting choice of keys, because I is before O and you use I to go forward. Interesting. Nice. Just have to get used to this. Damn. Alright. So now we're here in the N again. If I do capital N, I'll go back. So now when the search reaches the end of the file, it will continue at the start unless the wrap scan option has been reset. So I'm here. Okay. Okay. Nice. How do I get out of this? How do I get out of this though? How do I escape? No. How do I get out of this loop? How do I get out of this loop? If I do I'm inserting it here. So I just do. There's no backspace. Why is there no backspace in insert though? Oh, okay. You just go on top of it and just enter, right? Okay, that's cool. So I do. I just okay. Well, interesting. So okay, cool. Matching pairs is search. Types dollar. I mean, sorry. Type percentage to find a matching. Okay. Okay, matching pairs is just place the cover on any line below. Mark this. Okay, I'll do that. So I will do this. Okay. Cursor will move to the matching pairs as a bracket. Now type percentage. Okay, I'll do that. Nice. Move to the matching patterns as a bracket. To move the cursor to the other matching bracket. If I do this again, okay, matching. Nice. Move the cursor to another Let's see what happens. Let's do that. So this, where does it end, or where is the matching thing is percentage s, a percentage. Oh, pretty cool. That is amazing. Sorry, what am I doing? Right, okay. If I do this, where am I matching? Nice, got it. The variation debugging a program with unmatched patterns is pretty awesome. This is a major problem actually when writing programs. It is actually a major problem, and this solves it using just percentage. Brilliant. Type this thing to substitute new for old. Okay, type colon s slash old slash new g. Multiple line below marked. Okay, I'll do that. So I'm here. Type this thing. Oh, new for old. Adding the G flag means to substitute globally in the line, change all occurrence of G in the line. The best time to see the files in the strings, change every occurrence character with string between two lines. Oh, to change every occurrence of a character string between two lines. Um, what are the line numbers of the range of lines for the substitution to be done? Oh, to change every occurrence in the whole file. Percentage S. Nice. Percentage S. To find every occurrence in the whole file with the prompt whether or not whether to substitute or not. GC. Oh, wow. Wow. So if I do percentage S, if I do slash and the newest the, and I want to replace this thing, and if I do global, which means for all of the line, right? We substitute globally in the line, and if I enter, oh, what happened? Three substitute in one line, new for old, oh, old for new. Okay. Oh, I just did that out loud. So 1 second. So if I do S again, so it should be old first, which is, I want to substitute this for the new character, which is this, and it should be G for whole line. Let's do that. Nice. Line numbers. So this, what is the line number? For this line number, you have to calculate. How do you know the file name and line number? What is the command? I forgot. I just did it. What to do? What does that mean? Line number and this thing. Don't do the forgot. Search command. Yeah, Control G. Oh yeah, Control G, Control G. So if I do Control G here, so I'll get 568. Now if I do escape, okay. Now if I do this, if I type 568 and 568, from 568 to 568, so only one line. And if I do this, and S colon, and do this to, let's say again this, and G. Nice. I do to undo with you. That's pretty cool. Nice. Lesson 4 summary. Control G displays the location in the file and the file status. G moves to the end of the file. Number G moves to that line number. GG moves to the first line. Nice. Nice, nice. Typing, typing slash followed by phrase, so just forward for the phrase, typing followed by phrase and backward for the phrase. Okay, backward in the file, right? After search, type N to find the next occurrence and change in the same direction. Okay. It says in opposite direction. Control O takes you back to the old position. Control I to newer positions. Okay. What's the difference between N and I though? I don't know. But okay. Typing percentage while the cursor is on a goes to its mass. That is impressive. To substitute new for the first old and aligned type. Yeah, first old and globally S slash I mean semicolon sorry colon S slash old new G S slash old slash new slash G for global and number comma number from two, basically from this line to this line S slash old slash new slash G to from this line to this line change the old occurrences to new occurrences, basically to the new thing. Substitute occurrence substitute if you want to substitute across all of the file, you just do percentage s because okay. And then to ask for permission each time, confirmation is C. Oh, nice. How to execute in command, external command type, followed by an external command to execute that command. Okay. Followed by an external command to execute the command. Type the family command to set the cursor at the bottom of the screen. This allows you to enter command line on command. Now type the character. This allows you to execute any external shell command. As an example, type ls following the and then hit enter. This will show you a list of your directory as if you were at the shell prompt. Oh my god, that is fucking impressive. So if I do this thing, if I just do ls, wow. Oh, damn. Man, honestly, that is so cool. That is so cool. I'll just do this and I have access to the terminal and I just do, if I do pwd, it shows me that I am in users and shit. Wow. Wow, bruh. Nice. More on writing files. To save the change you made to the text, type file name, type listing or else get a listing every directory. You already know you must hit enter after this. Okay, choose a file name that does not exist yet, such as test. Now type this thing where test is the file name you choose. This saves the whole file, the Vim Tutor, under the name test. To verify this, type this your directory. If you were to exit Vim, start it again with the Vim test, the file would be an exact copy of the tutor where I saved it. Nice. To now remove the file by typing nice. Nice. Cool, very cool. So if I do this and if I want to get access to the terminal, I just do that. do ls, and again if I do this thing w test, enter, this is written to that. And let's see if we can see it. No right, damn, there's no right. There is no right. Skip. So if I do just do this w test is written, so let's do oh yeah, let's go find it. Let's go crazy, 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 crazy. Enter. Nice. Okay, pretty cool. You can remove the file by using that. Okay, I'll do that. That's fine. Okay. Nice. Send text the file. To say part of the file, type v motion. V motion. This thing. To this line. Okay, I'll do that. Press V and move the cursor to the fifth item below. Notice that the text is highlighted. V. Move the cursor to the fifth item below. Yeah. Press the this thing. Okay. At the bottom of the screen will appear yes. Type W test. The test is file doesn't exist yet. Verify that you see before you press enter. Yeah, okay. W test. Remember, write the selected lines of the file does use or else to see it. Do not remove it yet. We will use it in the next lesson. Starts visual selection. You can move the cursor around to make the selection bigger or smaller. Then you can use an operator to do something with the text. For example, deletes text. Nice. Nice. So it has written that. Nice. Nice. Wow. Very useful. Retrieving emerging files. To insert the contents of a file type, place the cursor just above this line. Okay, I'll do that, 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 right? Just above this line. Alright. Okay. After executing step 2, you will see text from lesson 5.3. Then move down to see this lesson again. Do not retrieve your test file using the command list. Okay, retrieving. Okay. Where test is the name of the file you need. The file you retrieve is placed below the cursor line. Wow, let's do that. R test. Wow. The file you retrieve is placed below the cursor to verify that a file was retrieved. Cursor back and notice that there are no 2 copies of lesson 5.3. Oh, yes. I mean, yeah, I just did that. Okay, nice. But it did copy. Those are the file version. You can also read the output of the external command. For example, reads the output of the ls command and puts it below the cursor. Wow. Read the puts it below the cursor. Let's do that. What does it do? rs and access to the shell prompt. Do ls not an arithmetic command. Okay. Oh, I'm down. Sorry. So it retrieves that. Nice. Retrieve this thing. Wow. Oh yeah, that's pretty cool. That's pretty damn cool. I'll do undo just to be nice. Pretty cool. That's a file summary. Executes an external command. Nice. File name. As the current Vim file to disk with file name. This command is so useful because I just can change the determinant in like one key, like two keys. That's it. Or else in VS Code I have to use the mouse to go to the terminal. Shit, that's crazy. File name, write the current Vim file to disk with file name, right? vmotion. This thing saves the visually set lines in file. Wow. Wow. It retrieves disk file name and puts it below the cursor position. Nice. The open command. Type O to open a line below the cursor and place you in insert mode. Open below the cursor to open a line below the cursor and place you in insert mode. Ah, damn. Okay. First line like this. Alright, let's do that. Type the lowercase around to open up a line below the cursor and place you in some mode. Okay, let's do that. Now type some text. This is some text. And now type and press escape into exit to open up a line above the cursor. Simply type capital O. So if I do capital O, wow, rather than lowercase, wow, wow. Open up a line above this by typing. Oh no, I already did that, but fun. Nice. The append command. Type A to insert the text after the cursor. Move the cursor to the start of the first line below marked. Okay, let's do that. Type A to insert text after the cursor. Okay, let's append command. Alright. Append line. Nice. E. Oh wow. If I do word is also good, but if I do E is fine. But good, very good. E is also fine. Practice. So I do insert again. Oh, okay. So I should append it. So if I do A, it's cool. No. Practical. Practice. E again. So I'm sorry. Should be E. Press E until the cursor on the end of the after the cursor. A. Nice. Nice. Capital A. Okay. What does capital A do though? To the end of the line. Okay, damn. Appending to the end of the line. Wow. Nice. Another way to replace more than one character. Let's do that. Begin at the first word for the first XXX. Let's do that. We're here. Now press R and type the number below it in the second line so that it replaces the XXX. Now press R and type the number below it in the second line and do capital R and type the number below it in the second line so that it replaces the nice. 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 Want to replace this, so this that thing and then it's to 579. Wow. But every typed character deletes an existing character. Nice, 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 nice. Replace as much as you want. Wow. Copy and paste text. Use the Y operator to copy text and P to paste it. Let's go here. Visual and start the and place the cursor after A. Okay, let's do that. After this, sorry, I'm here. Okay, that was okay. I'll do that. Visual and move the cursor to just before first. Move the cursor to just before first. Visual. Okay, doing that. Oh, I'm sorry. No, okay. Headshot, that's okay. Just before first. Type Y to yank. Copy the highlight. Oh, yank? Why is yank? Wow, that's a good wording. Why to do that? Yank the text. I did that. Move the cursor to the end of the line, next line. End of the next line. Just J. J. And to the end of the next line is this thing. Already at the end of the next line, right? Type P to put the text. Then type a second escape. Use visual mode to select item. Type second escape. Use visual select item and yank it, move to the next line and crazy. And type you wanted second. Okay, okay, I get what he says. They're saying that type second and then do escape and then go up. Go up, and then do visual mode and then do select this and then do yank and then come down and go to the end of the line is how do you go to the end of the line? Dollar, right? Dollar. Okay, dollar and P. Crazy. Set option. Set an option so a search or substitute ignores case. Search for ignore by entering this thing. Set an option so a search or substitute ignores case. Okay, set option. Search for ignore by entering this thing. Repeat several times with process same pressing N. Set the IC ignore case option by entering set IC. Search for ignore by entering this thing. Okay, let's do that. Ignore. I'm here. pressing set the IC ignore cache option by entering that, and search for ignore again by pressing that. By entering that set IC. Okay, ignore cache basically. Can't do that. Set IC ignore cache. I will do that. Now search for ignore again by pressing nice. Set the L search in search options. Now I will search command and see what happens. H search, so let's do that. Set HLS HL search and ink search. What is that? IS. Okay, let's do that. Oh, highlight search and include searching basically. Ignore the case, I think. Now type the search command again, see what happens. Nice. To disable ignoring case, enter no IC. Okay. So remove the header in the message, enter no HL search. Nice. If you want to ignore cache for just one search command, use this thing in the phrase ignore. Oh, for this one phrase, for just one search command. Okay, nice. So to again this and set no IC ignore cache. So that is the thing. And to remove the header, the matches, enter this. So I'll do that. No HL search. Okay, nice. I got it. Lesson 6 summary. Open if below the cursor and start insert mode. O to open a line above the cursor. A to insert after the text. Capital A to insert after the end of the line. Okay, type E command moves to the end of the word. The Y operator yanks, copies in P, pastes it. Typing capital R, enters replace mode until escape is pressed. Yeah, okay. Typing this thing, set the option. Some options are IC ignore case, IS shows partial match for a search phrase. You can either you can use the long or short option name. Okay. Nice. Prepare no to switch off an option of getting help. Use the online help system. Vim has a comprehensive online help system. To get started, try one of these. Press the help key if you have one. Press the F1 key if you have one. Or type this thing. So let's do that. Help. Okay, so it has opened the file above this file. Nice. So if I just do escape, doesn't happen. Read the text. Read the text and help to find out how the help works. Type Control W to jump from one window to another to close the help window. I will close this window is basically this thing. Q enter. Okay, nice, got it. We give an argument to the help command. Try these. Don't forget pressing enter. C Control D. C insert index. User manual. Nice. Create a startup script. Start using Morpheus. Usually create a Vim RC file. Start editing with the Vim RC file. This depends on your system. Yeah, okay. Now read the example Vim RC file contents. Write the file with this. The next time you start Vim, it will use syntax highlighting. You can add all your preferred settings to this Vim RC file. For more type information, type help Vim RC intro. It will use syntax highlighting. Okay. Okay, I'll do that later, but okay, that's cool. 7.3 completion. Make sure Vim is not in compatible mode. Set NOCP. We look what file system directory. Type the start of a command. Press Ctrl D and Vim will show as a command. That will start with E. Now type data. We will complete the command name to edit. Now add a space and start of exist file name edit fill. First tab. We will complete the name. If it is unique, completion works for many commands. Just try pressing Ctrl D and tab. It is just useful for help. Nice. Command line completion with Ctrl D and tab basically. Set no CP. It's not in compatible mode, so let's do that. Set no CP. Okay. Look what file is in directory. Type the start of a command. This thing. Control D basically. So type the start of a command. So let's do. So let's do this thing. E. Control D. So if I do tab. Want edit. Edit. Alright, got it, and then space. Now add a space and start of an existing file. Okay, so let's do that. Tab and edit. Tab. So you can complete that. Nice. This concludes the Vim tutor. This was intended to give a brief overview. Press Ctrl to see possible completions and press tab to use one completion. Nice. It was so I'll have to check out Vim RC, which I'll do tomorrow, but okay. Nice. Nice. Pretty cool. WQ. W. Written. Q. Nice. Clear. Nice. Very nice. That concludes our thing today. Thank you for tuning in. Bye.